we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 274. Let me show an empty text outline effect. We use the type tool to use the short key for it, type something in. I activate the move tool, press Ctrl A, and then I can center it. Ctrl D to deselect. You can do that with any font. I'm going to use Helvetica. Then I right click on my text layer and I try to find right here the blending options. And we actually have to go to drop shadow to create this effect. First up, you can left click drag on your canvas to reposition that. This is the angle and the distance that you adjust away. It's way better to do that on the canvas instead of using these sliders here. Then check the opacity. You want to crank that up fully. And now this contour is important. Click on the swatch and then change linear to rolling slope descending. It's almost what we need, but we still have a problem, and that's because of the spread. Just make sure that it's high enough so that you don't have this gap, or otherwise this contour will create two outlines. You can see that here. We don't want that. So in our case, the spread 89% should be fine. Size should be relatively low, not too low though. And then you have this typical outline. If you don't see it, check your blending modes. For example, with color dodge, it's going to vanish on certain backgrounds. With normal, you should be good and you should be able to see it. And you can still adjust the color. Make it, for example, red if you want to. So that's still possible. And if you want to give your text a different color, just use the color overlay right here under blending options. And this will not affect your drop shadow. So your drop shadow is going to remain black or whatever color you've set it in the drop shadow. And this color overlay will then recolor your text only. And this is how I can create this empty outline text effect in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.